Hello everyone! In this video, I will talk about a historical problem in the world of mathematics and computer science, present an introduction to the concept of generic algorithms, and most importantly, demonstrate how we can abstract our problem so that we can solve it using this new concept. Imagine that you are a postman carrying 50 letters that you need to deliver by the end of the day. You know the location of all the houses that you need to go, but you would like to travel the shortest distance possible to do this. After all, you have a limited time. How would you decide the order of the houses you will deliver the letters to? This is known as the traveling salesman problem, formulated in 1930 and until today has not been completely solved. Surprisingly, a concept called generic algorithms can make this postman's job easier. Generic algorithms work as a simulation of the natural selection process, in which an initial population evolves through the combination of genes from individuals best adapted to an environment or more efficient in a task. To understand how to program a generic algorithm, we must first look at these concepts: gene, chromosome, population, parent selection, fitness function, crossover, and mutation. A gene can be considered an organism that is capable of being reproduced 100% accurately. It is the main element of reproduction. In this case, for our programming purposes, it is considered a single number within a chromosome. The chromosome is the individual's gene chain, in this case represented by a list of numbers, genes. The population is the group of individuals, simplified to a list of chromosomes. The fitness function is the metric on which the chromosomes or individuals of the population will be evaluated. It is a function that will perform a calculation based on the numerical values of the chromosome genes and will return a score indicating how efficient that individual is. Parental selection occurs by selecting an X number of individuals or chromosomes within the population that obtain the highest scores on the fitness function. These selected individuals will then participate in the crossover process to produce the next generation of the population. After the selection of the parents, the crossover operation takes place, in which the genes of the chromosomes of the parents will be mixed to produce a new child chromosome. For example, the first half of the list of chromosomes of a parent and the second half of the list of chromosomes from another parent can be selected, which together will give a new list of genes that will be the child chromosome. The mutation also occurs during the production of the new generation. It causes a chance that one or some genes of the child generated by the crossover will be transformed into another gene, in this case into another random or pseudo-random number. After all this process, the generated children become the new population and the process starts again. Now, let's get to the point. How can we abstract the traveling salesman problem so that we can use the generic algorithm? First, we can remember that what we want is to choose the shortest path to go through all the points. That is, a chromosome must contain the information of the entire path chosen by the postman. For this, we can create a distance matrix between the points we want to travel. This matrix contains the distance that each point is from all the others. The chromosome then is the order in which the postman will traverse the points, start from 0 and going to a point between 1 and x minus 1, x being the total number of points to traverse. Remembering that we have some impediments in the construction of a chromosome, the postman must only pass through each point once, and he must go through all the points. That is, the chromosome will have an x number of genes, with x being the number of points to travel minus 1. And each gene must be a number from 1 to x minus 1, and genes cannot be repeated on the same chromosome. The fitness function will then calculate the postman's total distance to cover all points, based on the gene order as we want to reach the shortest possible distance. The individual score will be calculated as y over distance, y being any number from that, so whoever has the highest score has the shortest distance and is therefore the most apt to reproduce. Now, to see our algorithm in action, imagine that you, for some reason, want to travel through all the NBA stadiums in the shortest distance possible. Let's see how our algorithm behaves. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed it. I want to make a new video in the future about the details of the algorithm programming used in this video, and also about how I created this visualization. So, if you liked this video, please leave a like, and if you want to see more videos about programming, artificial intelligence, computing and related subjects, subscribe to the channel. See you later, bye!